22.
Can you please have this way?
Hi, copy, very good. Call 22, show me your octave ball 48. I copy that.
Is that
County, or is that with the other half of this?
Guys, I've got some medical training under me, so I was helping.
1992, I've been with the victims for a while. DVD. I do some DVD.
Hey, it's 19. What do you guys have going on over there?
These guys basically got ran down. Fight started. Somebody attempted to steal a phone. There were some statements about trying to stab them. Some knives were really pulled out, but were made well aware that they had them. And then at least one juvenile was punched in the face.
Does he have injuries?
He does.
What does he say punched him?
Okay, guys, sorry.
Let me go talk to him back again and see if he can narrow it down a little bit.
I was
updating.
I do have some medical experience under me. I did want to go check out this guy.
Do they have a... Can you pass them down and see if they have pepper spray or other weapons?
Say again.
Can you pass them down and see if they have any weapons or pepper spray?
I can. Was there an allegation for that?
Can you repeat that?
So I just had to give the EMS and the fire information on the gentleman.
There was. I don't suspect that pepper spray was actually present, but there was.
Yeah, I can check it.
So I'm going to try to get out of the way, because everybody's parked up around me, and I want to give these guys as much room as possible. So what we're going to focus on is this guy was cutting down trees and throwing them in the middle of Lincoln Way. Lincoln Way is an extreme and it looks like he probably has some mental problems.
You should be back en route to the jail.
I cannot see.
Locust, call please.
I cannot see chat right now. I'm sorry. Give me 1 second to get back in.
Dispatcher
Okay.
22, 1 MCIC vocals.
Okay, I'm back. There we go. So this guy's definitely going to be
22, go ahead.
arrested.
That's a Thompson. Tom Henry.
So right here, here's our suspect.
Linda, Lincoln, Ida, Nora, David, Adam, David Garza, 1957, 0629. Copy, stand by. Also need you to test.
122, she's negative NCIC and locals, no valid deal. 122. 2036.
Sorry guys, I've not been able to see chat. Give me 1 second, I've got messages coming in.
Dispatch 419.
419.
Where are they at with the other candidates?
Neil.
I think I've been up. Dispatch 1260.
1260.
Myself, 16 and 36 will be back up at Edgefair.
John, thank you very much for the
Yeah,
5
thank you,
memberships. You are awesome.
False runaway person. Break.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to everybody that got a membership.
The vehicle is a dark blue Honda CRV with Wyoming 10 County 20520, driven by a Hannah Haworth, date of birth 2006, 12/14, possibly in the company of her sister Sarah Haworth, 19 years of age. Joanna has been missing since 8/24/2023, last seen in Thornton, Colorado at 18:45 on 8/26/2023. Authority is Fremont County SO. End of below message 2038.
Further.
So what this guy was doing was cutting down branches of the trees around here and throwing them in the middle of an extremely busy road. I'm going to take you guys out and I will give you a... He did cause a car accident.
Dispatch 1242, I'm out to jail. Well, Gabby.
The car accident's right down there. Oh, you don't want to see that ugly mug. He's okay?
Yeah.
Good.